Okay, here's my technique for using the top coat by Stuart Semple. It's a little expensive, but I think it will last for a lot of kits. So, there we go. You just need a little bit. Like I did a whole kit. I probably used like a tablespoon for the whole HG kit. I'm just painting one piece now for the tutorial. Let's do that. Any old shitty brush. Take your part, kind of slap it on all over like a generous but not too thick amount. Then take your foam brush. I like this kind. You could use that regular wedge kind too. I just want to like dab it all over the place. And you'll make sure there's no like little, there's like little white globs. Take care of that. Nice like even orange peel texture. You can roll around in the light to make sure you got nice, same thing everywhere. Try again on this white part, also to show you that it works good. A little trickier to see it, maybe on the camera. And boom. There we go. We're going to set this aside to dry for like an hour now. So we'll let that first coat dry for like an hour, and as you can see, it's already looking pretty good, but it does look a little like not even up close. So we're going to do a second coat using the same technique, brush it on, dab it all over, and then we're going to let that really dry like overnight, and then we'll see how it is after that. Okay, and now here we are the next morning, and everything is just looking super flat and beautiful. Alright, maybe the white wasn't the best choice for an example here because it's hard to film good on an iPhone, but the blue, you could see. Really good. Alright, hope it works out for you guys. Bye.